Welcome once again, everyone. Welcome to Human Digital Link. I am Emmanuel. Okay, yesterday I published a video on how to sign up on Payoneer and the benefit of using Payoneer. So today I want to quickly talk on major two platforms that you can use and you can quickly sign up with as an affiliate marketer. At least you can have averagely, if you are very quick at it and you are very serious and committed with it, at least virtually you earn up like $10 per day. So I'm going to talk about two major platforms that I have attached. I have linked to my Payoneer account too. So today this is my impact.com. So on impact.com there are different advertisers there already. Based on anything you want to advertise, you course, speed, software, apps, education, dating, website, apparel, clothing. There are different, a lot of brands, thousands of brands on impact.com that are looking for promoters. They are looking for affiliate marketers to promote their products. So you can sign up on impact.com. I will leave the link in the description under this video. You can sign up on impact.com to pick brands that you wish to promote based on your niche. So there are some brands that you can promote without having a website. So this impact.com, you can pick any. Under my brand here, you can find brand, and if I scroll down, you will see brands that numerous brands that you can sign up with. So these are suggested brands, but anyone that I click on, let me click on find brand. Okay, it's loading. It's still loading. Okay, while it's loading, let me go to jvzoo. The second affiliate website that I'm also using is jvzoo, jvzoo.com. So I will also leave the link under the description, in the description under this video. So they have numerous thousands of brands that you can also promote here. They have course, they have software, apps, clothing, anything that you wish to promote based on your niche. They have it there. Even if you want to promote maybe ebook, anything, any package that you want to promote there. And one thing I love about jvzoo is they're going to show you now. Look at the heading here, affiliate approval. You can click on request approval. You request, and then later, maybe after some days, they will even approve you instantly. So they launch maybe the software or the course, the launching date, the number of products that have been sold for that particular. So for you to pick, before you pick a product, look at number of products that have been sold. If it's not selling that well, don't go for it. But if the product is selling very well, you can pick it, and you also promote it, and you have your sales. And then we have conversion rates right here. So that is, this one is 12.45%, which is very low. So those that have a very higher conversion rates, you are good to go on them. You can see some are even very low, which is 6.19%. is very low. So those are very, very much higher. You can go for those ones. You can see that I'm seeing one that is like 17% here, which is, at least you can go for that. And likewise, you can see earnings per, the average price, how much you are going to earn for each item sold. So you can see, at least if you can sell this one, you are going to get like 7.66 on this one. For this one, you're going to get around $3.64 per sales. So which is tangible enough. If at least if you can sell like 2 or 3 within a day, you are going to have your tangible sales as regard, which is very easy. So on my next video, I'm going to show us how you can publish, as now you can advertise all these links whenever you are approved. Okay, let me go to whether that one on impact.com. Okay, let me go to my brand, some brand that I have here. Okay, I have shown you how to make two major websites that you can start with. You can go and sign up on jvzoo.com or impact.com. I will leave the link under this video so that you can sign up, and then at least once you sign up, you see a portion where you can link. If you have issue signing up or to link your Payoneer account, let me know so that I will publish video on how to link your Pioneer account to jvzoo, and as well how to link your Pioneer account as well to impact.com. So these are my brands that I have sent requests to them and have been accepted. So that means I can promote all these. As I'm scrolling, I believe some of you will be familiar with some software like this Aurora 3D. I've used it before. This Node VPN, some of us have used it, or you might have heard of it. AppSumo is also like a software seller website. They sell software. So domain.com, iTeams, InVideo. I believe InVideo, then many of us we are familiar with InVideo. We have used Namecheap. They sell very cheap domain. So a lot of things. Lenovo, Wish is a marketplace where they sell phone. So on Canva, I've been accepted as well. I can promote Canva right on Impact here. So I will just speak link. So Bluehost, I can promote Bluehost. I've been accepted as well on Bluehost. So all these brands have been accepted, and then I have a link that I use to promote them. And then one very lovely thing, you will see that the rating price, there are some that is based on sales, and there are some that is per sign up. You can see for this one, without 60 affiliate, they said if you enroll, you get $25. For sign up, is you are not earning anything, zero. But let me scroll up if there is anyone that's per sign up. Okay, I've seen one. This SEMrush, they are like keywords planner. People use it to generate, to get the keywords and to plan towards the niche where they want. Maybe you want to publish your blog post, or you want to do anything related to affiliate market, or want to promote. Or under here for try, that is, if someone use your link to sign up for that is registration, you are going to get, you as an affiliate marketer, you're going to get $0.01. That's very small. You can leave that one aside. Now after the person have signed up, the person is interested in using SEMrush. So he signed up as trial version. You know what they call trial version, like you have not paid, but you just signed up to test whether it's working. So if the person sign up and then use the trial version, you as an affiliate marketer, you're going to receive $10. I believe this one, you should go ahead and then start promoting this SEMrush. And on my website, you will see that I'm promoting SEMrush. So that's a signal for you to start promoting this. So for first purchase, if someone buys something or purchase the service, you are going to get $200. So there are numerous brands like that per sign up, they are going to pay you either $10 or $5. So as you are requesting, you look out to some of those brands that they will pay you per sign up as well, so that at least it will not be only when you are having sales. So likewise, Canva, people use Canva so much, people use Bluehost. So these are very hot cake that you can quickly request their brand. You can request for the brand and then start promoting them. Bluehost, HostGator, Wish, they are common brands. 99 Design, they are common brands that people use most. People use them very much. Namecheap, people need domain name. So InVideo, people use them to create video intro for YouTube. You want to create video, you are not a video editor, but on InVideo you can get video quickly, like pre-made a template. You can get there and then edit it to be your own. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share it, and like it. Remember to share it with your friend, and then like this video and subscribe on it as well, so that when I post the next video, you will be notified.